my mind. All I hear is music, watching your mouth move. Damn, you look stupid. I feel like.
Hi guys, I told you already that we are gonna watch some music video reaction and I'm gonna get you just one reaction as of now. Generally we do 2 music videos at the same time, but for today I'm just bringing you one because I am kind of tired. So that's the only reason why. If I had more time, I would have brought you 2. For now, just relax and chill with this. We're gonna watch City Slums by Raja Kumari feat. Divine, and it's the first time that we are gonna check out a female rapper. So let me just check out the description a little bit and then we can go for it. Grammy Award nominated Indian American rapper, singer and songwriter Raj Kumari unveils her debut. Oh shit, she is huge, is it? Unveils her debut Indian single City Slums, featuring a collaboration with none else than Mumbai's very own Divine. A song touted to be the anthem of the streets of Mumbai and make you go Rapapam-pum. Written and composed by Raj Kumari, Vivian Fernandez and Genghis Khan. Producer it Beats Busta. Co-producer is Jules Wolfson and mixer engineer Andrew. Mastering engineer Brian. Okay, let's go for it. She seems international, so it's gonna be a fun theme. And for the first time, an Indian music, which is by a female lead singer with our Mumbai's own Divine. Let's go. Gully Gang. Kumari. Rapapam-pum. She is the lead singer, Raj Kumari.
सड़क सपानी चाय में पानी हाथ में कारगारी नाकाब खाली भारी थाली सर पे जिम्मेदारी एक ही तो मालिक बाकी कुछ दिन वाले कर्मचारी काएगा भी तू इस रैप खेल में शाकाहारी बहुत जाली रैपर फेमस हुए लेके गाली लंबी गाड़ी असलियत में इनकी जेबें खाली कलाकारी हमारे से लेगा हमसे ब्रह्मचारी कर सवारी अब भी वही गली वही चाली कितनी नारी कितनी चाबी नोट तेरे कितनी सारी नहीं आने वाले काम तेरे मैयत पे स्वयं से झूठ ना तू बोल पाएगा अपने आड़ फंसा खर्चा पकड़ में दुखाएगा
Rapapam-pum. It's Gully Talk. City Slums.
Raja Kumari, I go harder than anybody. Daughter of the king, American dream. Fit be din mein Hindustani. So don't misunderstand me. I do it for
She's the American dream.
It for my family, mainly. I'm gonna get it, I'm with it. I make it run, run. I'm gonna get it, I'm in it until it's done, done. They tried to stop me, don't make the same mistake. They tried to copy, but they can't take my place. Cause oh God, all eyes on the underdog. Go hard, no time for your minute, our whole squad. 4 ties on the boulevard, running through the streets of dark, flowing like the Ganga.
Gangotri.
Tell your mommy. The streets go
Rapapam-pum. I like the chorus.
It's coming from the
Oh, the swag of them both on the bike. The slum talk. They're standing together. This is what rap is about. Having the city talk, the slum talk. Love the video as well. This is real talk. Raja Kumari.
हिंदुस्तान में
Nariyal Pani after such a good track. नहीं पूछने की कोई जरूरत नहीं है. We know that Divine is already lit, but we saw Rajkumari today and she is also on the same lane as Divine. Right? She's an international queen who knows how to spit them out. Rap is all about expressing your own, social economic factors or political oppression that happens, poverty, racism, and stuff like that. And when rappers actually do real talk, I absolutely love it. When they show their own culture, their own belief, and have their own voice at the end of the day, that's what makes rap as rap it is. Nowadays, there's a lot of rappers that just goes with the beat because the beat is the only thing that can save their song. There's nothing else. Or the commercial love bullshit. And I hate that, honestly. I don't feel like that's rap at all. And this music just highlights how much proud they are of their own communities and where they represent themselves as. And they have no shame in highlighting their own street life as it is. They take a lot of pride in it, and that's the reason why they are fucking successful today. The video was absolutely underdog with the American stylized Rajkumari, with the Desi hip hop vibe by Divine. It is such an inspiration for them to, put the youths in a position where they can dream high. And they have set the bars there because, even you can do it if you dream of it. Shout out to all the street hustlers. We are there for you. We'll check out all of your videos. Let's see some of the comments and end this video. For those who don't know, she's Grammy nominated songwriter. Oh shit, is she? We are way behind with the Indian music for sure. She's super talented, I get why though. When Rajkumari says run run, yeah, she's got the hype and she's getting the fire across. Like, people are feeling it. I won't call her India's Nicki or Cardi. She's just the Rajkumari, and you shouldn't compare them with international singers because they have their own identity. That's the reason why they have worked so fucking hard to be the Rajkumari as she is. So do call her that. I am 2 years late to reach here. This is lit fire. RIP YouTube recommendation. Truly. I don't watch YouTube much, so I don't blame YouTube recommendation wholly. But it's me who is the problem here. Who is still here in 2026? Oh, I am here. We here, brother. I don't know about India, but she definitely deserves respect in Western world. I see her neck to neck with Nicki Minaj or Cardi B and the others. Thumbs up. I respect Cardi B more than Nicki Minaj, I'm sorry to say, but I don't know what your preference of choices are. Rajkumari definitely have the style, and if she pushes forward, maybe she can reach to the same lane. Of course, she can get to the global stage. Let's see. Zero nudity, zero fancy cars, zero show off, 100% hard work. That's exactly what I was talking to you when I was watching the video. I love it because it's humble and it's natural. So it meets a lot of people's eyes. Like, we can relate and we love this kind of music. This is what hip hop is all about. It's real story, real talk, and this is hip hop. Anyone in 2026, I am here, brother, I am here. That moment when she says, Fir bhi dil mein Hindustani, yeah. At the end of the day, we all are Indian. No matter what language we speak or where we are at currently, we all have the Indian elements under us, inside us, and will always show outside us. You get the point. I hope you did enjoy this reaction. If you did, don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Hit on that bell icon. I'll see you on the next one, hopefully very soon. Let's see what drops. If you find something new, don't forget to let me know in the comments. I'll see you on the next one. Until then, good night and see ya.
No filter, I got no